Hello, I have a massive package here, which I think is the Sony PlayStation 30th Anniversary Edition, but I'm not sure now that I actually put it up here. We're gonna find out together. Now, if this is in fact the 30th Anniversary PlayStation, thank you to Sony for sending me this to check out. And if it's not, then I don't know what's in here. This is some thick plastic. Okay, we've got some little symbols here. This is definitely something that looks PlayStation-ish. This is such a production. Oh my gosh, there's another box inside of the box. Okay, don't do that. Oh, this packaging is amazing. Look at this box. Oh my gosh, how do I even open this? Here it is. Oh my gosh, I love it. This packaging honestly could not be any more perfect. Look at this. This is like taking me back to, I'd say my childhood, but yeah, well, that was like, we'll do the math. Okay, we've got all of our accessories here. Like, I need to save this box. It is a work of art. This deserves to be in a museum somewhere. Like the color, everything, it's pretty incredible. And like, it's got a little timeline here. I remember sleeping outside of a Walmart for like the PlayStation 2. Like, I think we waited for like 24 hours. That was like one of my first early days of posting content online. I'm sure I can find that video somewhere.
3, 2, 1.
Well, I'm officially waiting in line for PlayStation 3.
Look at this. Oh, I'm definitely getting this framed. This is so cool. What an awesome piece. Oh my, this is 100% framing, putting in the game room. I'm gonna put this back into its little protective sleeve. Like, even this little protective sleeve is so nice. Oh, look at this case too. Ah, it's so great. I'm having heart palpitations. There's just something about the nostalgia of it that just, it just like takes me back. I'm so hyped. There's a little charging dock, another controller. Look at this packaging. Props to the design team. This is sick. Some cute little PlayStation themed cable ties. Love. Oh, a little sticker. And another little puffy PlayStation sticker. Oh yeah, this smells like the 90s. Also got this little faceplate that you can swap out. Documentation. It's the little stand, matches the console. And we've got more cables. Obviously, I'm very excited about having the 30th anniversary edition of the PlayStation 5, but what I'm really kind of hyped about is this DualSense Edge controller. This case alone is just so awesome. It's a hard shell case. It feels very premium. It's got a little zipper here. So let's take a closer look at the controller. It's got the colorful buttons, it's got the old school logo, and of course this gray theme, which is representative of our throwback controllers. But the best part about these controllers is you do have these custom paddles, which I feel like I've come so accustomed to playing with these back paddles that it's a little hard for me to play with a normal controller anymore. I also like that it has these joystick buttons that you can pop off, so you can change those if you'd like to have a different grip or height. Oh yeah, that feels so great. So here it is, everything's all unboxed. Let's take a closer look at the PlayStation 5 30th Anniversary Edition.